Nagulat naman ako kay Tata Ray, nagsasalita, biglang nag-breakfast.
You had me at breakfast.
Hindi man lang nag-post si Tata Ray.
Gutom na siguro yan.
Gutom na
Tito
yun
Ray,
ano ba ang, sino ba kasama natin?
Yes, Tito Diego kasama natin ngayon. For the first time, si Miss Rachel Romblon. Pero, hindi talaga kayo taga-Romblon. Ano? Romblon lang, Romblon family.
Ganda ng hirit mo, Kikay.
Diba?
Miss Rachel, ano ba ang share mong recipe for today?
I'm gonna share Seafood Pesto Pasta.
Seafood Pesto Pasta. Alright, ano ba
Yummy.
ingredients natin, Miss Rachel?
Ano ba yung mga kailangan natin?
Here are the ingredients. 500 grams pasta, 4 tablespoons olive oil, 50 grams mussels, shell discarded, 4 tablespoons garlic, minced, 4 tablespoon pesto sauce,
Ayun.
and some parsley for garnishing.
Yeah,
Napakadali lang
very
pala.
simple,
Yeah.
pero very tasty kasi ang mussels, di ba?
Yes.
Especially the olive oil. Sige, game! Demo natin.
Paano ba gumawa ng seafood pesto pasta?
Some oil. Healthy kasi olive oil. Mussels. We added mussels and toasted for a minute. Add some garlic. Minced garlic. We added the pesto sauce. And add the
Yan na yung
cooked
pasta natin.
Yes.
And dito gumamit ka ng spaghetti cut.
I did.
Tapos,
And then just stir, mix, and then add some olive oil again. And then mix.
yan palang malasa na. No? Very simple.
Pinch of salt and pepper.
Simple naman, olive oil, garlic.
Diba?
Pero okay na nga yan. May mussels
So, healthy breakfast. We have seafood pasta.
Ayan. So,
Yeah.
ito yung
Wow.
share na recipe na dinemo ni, ni Miss Rachel. Pero may dala pang ibang dishes, no?
Yes,
Tulad,
and
what is this?
Baked bangus.
So, that's boneless bangus.
Yes,
And
yes.
pure bangus meat na nilagay mo dyan.
Yes.
What did you bake into it?
I added some bell pepper, white onion, tomato, and cheese.
And cheese. Yung pala yung ganun, okay. Kaya may cheese pala eh.
Cheese.
Ito.
Spicy ginataang laing since I'm from Bicol.
Ay, lagi na tan laing. Pero,
Yeah.
Kilalang-kilala ang Bicol
sarap sa
dyan.
kanito.
Tapos ito, yung kanina ko pa minamata.
And that's pansit puti
Pansit
puti.
with toasted garlic.
Ayun.
At ito,
Some spring onion. And my
yung
specialty,
bidang-bida.
Bida-bida.
dark chocolate cake.
Dark chocolate. But ang forte mo talaga, Miss Rachel, is baking.
Baking
Yes,
talaga.
I'm into baking. And I also like cooking.
Alright. Paano ba? Do you sell online? Or
Yes, I sell online.
Ano ba ng Instagram and Facebook natin?
I have my Facebook page. It's Feli Deli Cakes and Cravings.
Okay.
Tapos,
My contact number is 0943-701-4030.
pwede kami magpagawa ng mga customized na cake sa'yo, Miss Rachel.
Yes, pwede po. Just send me a message.
Ayun. Meron mga gusto ka bang batiin, Miss Rachel?
Yes, I want to say hi to my son. And also, hi, Chef Emily. Thank you so much. My Cab and P family, and also my Cake Me Up family. Hi to my Sisi Loves. Annalyn, Angie, Mary Ann, and Judith. Hi also to Miss Rona. Happy birthday to Rina. And thank you, Ate Jing, for being with me today.
Oh.
Birthday mo pala rin.
Oh, happy birthday kay Rina.
Hindi ko alam yun, ha?
Oh, ibang Rina, yung friend, di ano.
Bagay ang ribbon
Miss
mo.
Rachel. Oo.
Real men wear
Wear
pink
pink
ribbon.
ribbons. Maraming salamat, Miss Rachel Romblon. Thank you. Next time ulit, abangan natin yung pagbabalik ni Miss Rachel Romblon. Thank you.
Thank you.